See,
This is on
you
mute.
never pick up the phone. See, you never
Oh,
pick up the phone.
seriously?
You're always
Shit.
busy with. You're
मैं
always busy with your
oh fuck.
how some
मैं
sessions and
अरे
yeah,
bro,
I
come
know.
on. मैंने साइलेंट मार के रखा है. Shit.
Every
Good
time I
one,
call
man.
you,
Oh, so dope, man. So dope. Welcome at my podcast. And today's special guest is Mr. Ayush Srivastav, who is creative director at White Turtles Studios and is working on a lot of Amazon Prime videos as well. He has been my colleague at Feed in 2018 as well and has worked in many big companies like TVF and all. So, Ayush, welcome to the podcast. How are
hi
you?
Mayank, how are you?
I'm good, buddy. Thanks. And thanks for your time. And we are glad that you are here. So, Ayush, before starting everything, I want that you should share something about yourself, introduction, vagera, so that everybody in the room should know who you are.
Okay, so basically, I'm Ayush, and I've been into digital content creation in overall sense. And I worked at Feed as a creative head there. I started as an intern, and then I went to TVF. So I was there as a creative producer. I've created a couple of shows there, and then White Turtle Studios as of now. So I'm working as creative director, and we work for Amazon Prime Video. And yeah, man, like the whole and before that I did engineering, so yeah, a lot of different fun
Nice.
stuff going on.
So again, another engineer who doesn't like one. So who is not an engineer in profession. So Ayush, I'll just give you an introduction about this podcast, what exactly it is. So there are going to be a lot of rapid fire rounds. There are going to be some serious, legit, deep shit questions. And there are going to be some, embarrassing moments question as well. Like, you might feel not good to answer, but I would appreciate if, honestly, if you answer them. And so we are not going to touch the string of your personal lives. We totally care about your privacy, but we, at the same time, I want you to give a lot of value to the viewers. Like, since you are in the video genre, so I want you to throw some points on, when I ask such questions, so that the viewers who are watching should get some value out of it, like how to grow, what to do. So, for an example, you said you're in Amazon Prime Video, so how YouTube channel should be maintained in basic hygiene and all. So, I'm gonna ask a lot of questions from you, and I hope this entire podcast is valuable to all the readers. So, whomsoever is watching, please do follow the video guy on Instagram and Get Digital with Mayank on Instagram, and do follow our YouTube channel as well. So, this is my first podcast, and this will be listed on everywhere like Spotify, Anchor FM, and other podcast platforms as well in the audio format. So, without wasting any time, Ayush, I would appreciate if we can begin. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
But there is a surprise. So before commencing this entire exciting stuff, rapid fire and deep questions, we have, can you see this red bottles behind us? We have some beautiful red water
Yeah.
bottles. So Ayush suggested an amazing idea, which I stole already. That okay, so this
Yeah.
idea is all about uh, you have to finish this entire 1 liter bottle throughout the session, even though you can have loo breaks and all. So I'm gonna have some sips right now. So we have to keep on discussing until these water bottle ends. So this is 1 liter.
Yeah.
I just give me a good name for this thing. Let's not call it cliche. This is super exciting for me.
uh Waters up, waters up, something
Waters
waters
up.
up ka waters up
Okay, so bottoms up, ka
yeah,
waters up. So 1 liter waters up, something like that, in which like you have to
yeah,
consume 1 liter. So
yeah.
what is up? So we have to keep interacting until our water bottles ends. Even the question ends, we cannot stop the recording, or we cannot stop asking questions. So अगर मेरे question खत्म हो गए तो Ayush, you are free to ask questions from me. Okay. So Ayush,
Absolutely.
frankly, I have worked with you in 2018 while I was working as a brand delivery head in Witty Feed, world's second largest content viral company. It was at back of time. So frankly, I found you very mature, very subtle, very humble, very kind, and in some cases very strict, like managing a team of 15 to 20 people, including actors, writers, and production team, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So why, what was your takeaway from that 2018 in the entire Witty Feed era?
uh so that journey was pretty intense, man, because I started as an intern, and that was my
Oh.
first job after engineering.
Mhm.
And I joined as an editor, right? And then from gradual progression, I reached as a creative head in just 1 year. So I was just 23 23, I guess 23, 24, and there were about 20, 25 people team, and I have to manage that. And that team actually had people jinka age around 30, 35 tha.
Nice.
So suddenly, from being a junior who used to make popcorns and stuff for the seniors, and it landed on something where I have to discuss about salary appraisals, and maybe sometimes if somebody is not performing well, telling them in on their faces that yeah, this is not working, or a lot of different stuff. So obviously it was a school for me, in short, because I learned how to have that composition of a proper employer at the same time employee,
Wow.
because there is a balance of both. So
Okay.
also I was very not I don't want to call it strict, but I was very honest with my work.
Great.
Like I always wanted to create good content and create a good team and a motivated team. So मैं सोचो, I was just 23, 20 years old, and I used to like give motivational speak and stuff like that. I was like, I don't know कौन कितना motivate हो रहा है. And then obviously
Nice.
gradually you realize that it helps everyone, including me. So yeah.
So I've seen you bluffing a lot of times as well with your team. Was that real?
Yeah, 100%. I still do it. I'll always do it because
Nice.
see, whole reality. So see, in short, pressure comes from the top, right?
Yes,
And you
we know
have
that.
to you
Yes.
have to filter it. You have to filter it, and
Yes.
you don't want your team to have the whole impact of it. So you fake something so that they increase the intensity of their work or decrease the pressure. So
Nice.
that is, so to maintain that you have
Great,
to
great. So
fake
even
a lot of.
I used to do that with a lot with my brand delivery team. They were wonderful people, and pressure to ऊपर से आता ही था because of work. So yes, we had to take a lot on our heads, a lot of bullets on our chest, but then keep our team safe. And yes, sometimes making bluffing with the team so that they stay focused. So I appreciate that because I caught you bluffing a lot of times with your team, but I never interrupted. So I appreciate that art because I did the
Same
same
here,
as
bro.
well. Okay. So let's start with some rapid fire because serious question and career and learnings are gonna be the next thing. So what phone are you using right now and why? Quick
iPhone
answers.
11.
iPhone 11, nice.
iPhone 11. That's all. Why? Because I love it, and I had money after earning, so I just bought it. That was the top. But I'm a great
What's
fan of Apple, so that is the like core reason. I'm a Apple
I
boy.
am also a great fan of Apple, but MacBook. So Ayush, what's the wallpaper on your iPhone? Like everybody has a story behind wallpaper, or they keep some motivational messages. Like I keep
Yeah.
my selfie because I want to see myself charming and happy, and how the happy moments I store in my. So what's your wallpaper about?
So my wallpaper is basically a timeline of music composition. It's a GarageBand screenshot.
Ah, nice.
So I started learning thoda about music composition.
Okay.
So that timeline looks very fancy and like high tech, and people do not understand it. And मुझे भी नहीं
Wow.
समझ में आता है. So मैंने थोड़ा सा motivation at the same time show off के लिए थोड़ा edit करके उसको एकदम
Great.
wallpaper बनाया.
So nice. So I want to know the last 3 tabs on your browser and the browser that you use evidently, not Safari or any other browser. Last 3 tabs कौन से browser में?
Do I have to check now?
Yes,
One second.
yes.
So one is obviously
इसमें
WhatsApp.
iPhone में बाबा, मोबाइल में.
Oh. One second. I'll tell you.
ईमानदारी से बताना यार. भले ही वो कोई भी वेबसाइट हो.
Oh, so basically there just 2 tabs are open. One is conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius, because मेरे को ऐसा 36.6 लग रहा था, तो मैंने बोला ये कितना होता है. तो it was below normal temperature. It was around 95. I was like, oh shit, मुझे तो कम fever है. So
कम fever.
and then and obviously corona times में you keep on checking your stuff.
Right.
So
You can
एक तो वो
consume
है,
some water.
दूसरा is just
2 और बताओ.
Yeah.
3 tabs चाहिए.
No, actually there is just one tab
Oh,
open. But
wow.
yeah, most recently I open there is OneDrive which we use on White Turtle Studio. So generally वो होता है, and then obviously depends on the time and the situation of the day.
जज्बात समझ रहा हूँ मैं, but I have like 100 tabs open, pending काम, कुछ पढ़ना रह गया था, कुछ news, कोई अच्छा tool तो मैंने खोल के रखा है and I've kept it there.
And I generally use my laptop for searching on Chrome. So Abhi, if you'll ask about the Chrome, I was searching about this keeping the death on hold, basically.
Oh.
So yeah, so I'll tell you that in upcoming. So
Cool,
what's
cool.
that?
Next, how many alarms do you have on your phone?
Around 5 every morning,
Oh, nice.
from 11:30,
Thanks for being honest.
11:45, 12. Yeah, and I woke up really late every day, like, and I sleep around 5. So I'm
Ah,
trying to
सबका problem
get
है
up
ना.
by
So
10:30 at least.
see, do you know that you should sleep early?
Yeah, 100%. I want to
Why?
get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, man.
So why you're not able to do that? Tell me an honest reason. Because I want people to know and relate to this. कि कुछ solution निकल के आए तो they can also follow. Please.
Yeah, so basically, I want to get up at 5 o'clock, and whenever I get up at 5 o'clock, it's so different, and it's so quiet, and you can do a lot of stuff. But I don't know, it's that growing up pattern from engineering to, even when we are in a creative field, there is no office timing. Generally it's 11, 12 ish, right? So there is no need of getting up. So abhi wo cycle ho gaya hai. So even if I want to try and sleep at 1 o'clock, मेरे को 3 बजे तक नींद नहीं आएगी. So that is the problem. Even you are aware of the fact that you want to drink a lot of water, but you're not drinking a lot of water. So that is why we have started this.
Yes, nice initiative. I really appreciate, and thanks for allowing me to steal it. So, okay. So, what is the last picture that you can show to us that you took of yourself?
Myself or the last picture in the gallery?
No, last picture you took of yourself. Okay, nice. So this is like, nice. We saw it. So ये cover image है, I think अभी नए वाले वीडियो का जो monkey के ऊपर.
Yeah. I'm just self-obsessed about my own content creation. So मैं दिन में 500 बार देखूंगा अपना वीडियो.
Nice.
So 50% views मेरे ही होते होंगे शायद.
It's okay. Okay. So again, my next question, rapid fire में है, what are the apps you use for your work? Just name them. Applications.
The whole Microsoft Office, from OneDrive to Outlook to and YouTube, obviously, because I use a lot of YouTube. And then there is this WhatsApp, obviously, and there is this new app which I came to know, Amazon Chime.
Chime, I know.
Amazon
sharing के लिए.
Yeah, so मुझे नहीं पता था. Yeah. So it's exactly like Zoom of Amazon.
I used it last year a lot. Then I stopped using it. मुझे थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, there's so many funny stories behind that when I started using it for the first time with Amazon team.
Lol. Okay, so what is the best meme page you follow or you love? You can name multiple pages.
Yeah, I love engineering, bro. I love RVCJ 100%, and then Terribly Dank Tales.
Okay, nice. Any other?
Yeah.
Naughty World type.
No, that's enough. No, man.
Okay,
don't need a meme page for such stuff.
Okay. So, what is the most stupid and random application that you have in your phone?
There are so many, man. There is this one app called Small Case, which is about investing and stuff. So अभी I'm
मैंने भी
looking for
डाउनलोड करके
investment,
रखी
but
है. मैंने यूज नहीं
I don't know why.
मैंने राज शमानी भाई का देखा, उसने बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट बनाया था स्मॉल केस पे, तो मैंने कहा मैं भी. उसने क्या ऑल वेदर फोरकास्टिंग के ऊपर बताया था, तो मैंने भी डाउनलोड कर ली, लेकिन मजा आ लगी मैंने यूज करी हो. and I can guarantee there are a lot of people जिन्होंने small case या कोई भी investing application download करी होगी and they've not touched it yet. So it's in my one of the homepage folders. Same here, man. Okay. Okay. So my next question is, do you binge watch your fellow creators?
So I can call TVF as my fellow creators because now I'm not working with. I love their work, and I love watching Tanmay Bhatt. I love watching his podcast. I love watching his reaction, specifically that TikTok one which he came up with while TikTok got banned. I'm still a fan of it.
Nice. And, I used to love AIB. Let me tell you that. All India
I also used to, obviously.
Next level dope.
Yeah. And I still. So actually, I worked closely with AIB writers also. So there was a time when I was in Witifeed and I used to text. Even before Witifeed, when I was in engineering, I used to text AIB people that, "Arey bro, kuch karo," and all that. Nobody used to reply, and then I was very happy when he came and interviewed, and I was like, why I lied.
Good. So everything has a time. If you have to uninstall an application right now, which one would that be?
Yulu apps. Yulu bikes.
Yulu
So
bikes. Why?
Yulu bike, yeah. So basically, it's like electric bikes near
Mhm.
this place called BKC in Mumbai.
Mhm.
So अभी क्या हो रहा है ना वहाँ पे local, so it's an IT hub, जैसे बहुत सारे
Okay.
IT लोग, बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स है वहाँ पे. So ये बाइक्स वहाँ पे किसी स्टार्टअप का यूलो, जहाँ पे आप डाउनलोड करते हो, 50-100 रुपीज ऐड करते हो, एंड देन यू कैन राइड दैट.
Ride it. हाँ.
तो हम मतलब मुंबई में ऐसा हो गया कि लोग वहां पे कार से जाते हैं, कार किनारे रखते हैं, वो बाइक के लिए 50 रुपए देके और वो बाइक से घूमते हैं. इट्स लाइक साइकिल. चलो ठीक है, कार भी
Automatic
स्टिल
cycle.
फाइन.
Like you just have to raise the cycle,
हाँ
right?
वो इलेक्ट्रिक, बहुत
Electric. Yeah.
साइकिल है इलेक्ट्रिक ऐसा. अभी इससे नेक्स्ट लेवल ये हुआ है कि एक बंदा स्कूटी से आता है, स्कूटी रखता है और वो बाइक में बैठ के जा रहा है, घूम रहा है वहीं पे. इट्स लाइक यू हैव योर ओन स्कूटी, यू कैन डू द सेम थिंग इन स्कूटी ऑल्सो ना. अभी चलो कार है, तो ये सब तो हो गया, साइकिल रखा और इलेक्ट्रिक साइकिल में बैठ के घूम रहे हैं.
Oh
तो
gosh. This is
एंड
epic.
एक्चुअली वो ऐसा हो गया कि वो रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी हो गया, लोग वहां जाके सिर्फ ये चलाते हैं. सो जो एक्चुअली वहां पे लोगों को यूज करना है वो लोग नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज इट्स ऑलवेज बुक्ड.
Book. Exploring
आई वांट
something
टू
new,
डिलीट
right?
दैट बिकॉज इट्स लाइक या
Do it right now.
नो यूज.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is the most called person in your dial list apart from your personal connect?
Apart from
your
I
close relationships.
I call, so if I'll remove my relation and then I call Anil from Kokoma. So basically he works with Amazon.
Okay.
So हम लोग, वो मुझे कॉल करके उठाता है, मतलब ऐसा है कि सुबह उसकी आवाज सुनता हूँ मैं उठने
भाभी
के
जी की
पहले.
सौतन. Okay. So name that guy or girl whose message you haven't replied yet on WhatsApp. भले कितना भी time हो गया.
There are so many, but I want to name this guy called Prakhar.
Okay.
So and I hope he does not see this, but yeah, ठीक है, जो भी है.
मुझे उसका देना Insta handle. I'll tag him specifically.
I don't think so. I follow him. So
Okay.
basically once there was a time when he called me and then he was like, bro, कुछ business करना है. He was my college mate. And I was like,
Okay.
ठीक है, let's catch up. And then उसने वो networking वाला होता है.
हाँ, network marketing.
नेटवर्किंग वाला होता है. एंड मैंने कॉलेज में अपना लेसन लर्न कर लिया था, मतलब मैंने पैसे वैसे देके डुबा चुका है उस चीज में.
Okay.
मुझसे नहीं होती वो चीज.
Okay.
एंड उसने मुझे बताया नहीं. आई लिटरली वेंट टू द मॉल एंड दैट गाय केम सम एकदम ऐसा जो प्रॉपर आते हैं नेटवर्किंग वाले. लाइक अरे ये है, गाड़ी है, घोड़ा है, ये है, वो है. लाइक अरे बताओ ना, पॉइंट पे आओ. Then I realized that he was just trying to book me into that network and get money. I was like, I'll never talk to her. And you will not believe, मैं उसके पहले दिन में 2 बार बात कर रहा था उससे. आज तक उसको मैंने ये भी नहीं बताया कि तूने मुझे क्यों भेजा. मुझे इतना गुस्सा है कि I don't wanna pick his call and tell him that why you did this to me, why you wasted my 1 hour and 2 hours. ठीक है, मैं टाइम पास भी करता तो चलता, बट मुझे पहले बताता तो थोड़ा तो आइडिया देता कि you are going
My
for
time
that.
is my time.
But that's how they play, man. These networking जो थोड़े वाले, I'm not saying everything is bad, but there are so many platforms which is just to
agreed.
earn money, nothing else.
Yes. Next question. Tell me one or more Instagram accounts you have blocked.
Oh, I guess one's the same guy which I just told you. And then let me check.
Oh
my God. I'm watching this list after so long.
Okay.
I don't know. There's this account called politicalwazir.com. I don't know why
Okay.
I'm blocking.
Any
Okay, yeah, so
person?
there's this. Yeah, so basically there's this guy. I can't name him, but
अरे यार,
he's
come
my
on.
friends.
Come
यार,
on, you
I
have to
can't
name.
he's not
यार
my-
तभी तो पूछा. यही तो
Okay,
catch
I'll
है.
just name. I'll just tell the first name, Hardik. And so this is
wrong.
I can't. He's not my friend. He's my friend's ex, and he's like.
Okay.
So what happened after breakup? He became Kabir Singh, and I hated the vibes of Kabir Singh. I was like, shit, I can't have this anymore. I just blocked him because I never want to see his, like that. So it's a funny story. Yeah.
Okay, tell me quickly about the most used emoticon. WhatsApp chat open करो जल्दी और top emoticons कौन से हैं?
It's normal only. Top 4, 5. Heart,
दिल,
obviously.
heart और kisses बहुत है. 2 बार है kisses. And crying भी है. 4 cryings है.
Yeah.
बहुत रोतलू है bro. Laughing and crying.
Crying नहीं है, वो परेशान है. ऐसे यहाँ पे एक sweat आ रखा है और थोड़ा सा sad.
चलो ठीक है.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
कभी खुशी कभी गम. Good. Okay, what is your favorite gadget and why?
I have a lot of gadgets, but I love my phone. And what else? What else I have? I don't know. Now I recently got this, so I am loving mics, and my
Mic.
hearing myself is first time is thoda sa better than till now.
So far,
So
best is yet so far. Best is yet to come.
yeah.
Okay, so another quick one. Call someone right now who would never pick up in the first go, and if they pick up, you lose. You have to do a dare
Will not pick my phone.
in the first go.
1 second. Oh, my
Let
phone is on. Acha. ठीक है. 1 second. Now, so I'm calling this guy who is always busy with a lot of stuff.
Mhm. You never know. You might be waiting for your call only.
मयंक 1 second, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
Okay, what's that?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So you are not getting a call or what? I'm calling you only.
Sale,
See,
this is on mute.
you never pick up the phone. See, you
Oh,
never pick
seriously?
always
Shit.
busy with,
मैं
you're always busy with your
oh fuck
house or some
मैं
sessions and
अरे bro come on मैंने silent मार के रखा है shit
every
good
time I
one
call
man
you.
oh so dope man so dope cheers man you are
See, I
such
told you, I won.
you won चल dare से बच गया good one that's great okay now are you addicted to phones? So answer was yes. You just committed it a
Yeah.
few seconds back. Why?
So there are two answers. First is to obviously it's addictive because all the apps are making efforts to make you addictive about that
Yes.
particular thing. So be it Instagram or YouTube or whatever.
The design engineers.
Second is my and second is as a content creator or as a
Mhm.
creator in whole. So you have to be updated about a lot of stuff which is happening.
So don't you think
So
we are much more
obviously,
curious about learnings and all, learning new things,
yeah,
knowing what's in the
100%. So
market?
and it depends on the mood. So literally, if somebody's sitting there and watching my data of what I'm utilizing, if I'm going on YouTube, I'm learning something by default. If I'm on Instagram, I'm literally wasting my time. If I'm on Facebook,
Everyone is.
I've wasted so much of time in Instagram
Everyone
that
is.
I went to Facebook. So
Everyone is.
yeah, but also work wise, but it's addictive because so there is this one logic I recently heard in some podcast that if you get up
Mhm.
and in first 5 minutes, if you like
Pick
check
up
your
your phone.
phone, you have that addiction and you are sick about that particular thing.
Agreed.
So because you don't go to washroom, you don't go to brush, or you're not thinking and meditating or
Agreed.
whatever it is, you're
You're
just checking
actually
your
trapped.
phone, and
You're
that I
actually
do
trapped.
every day. Yeah, you're
So I
trapped.
think you should start focusing on that कि रात को फोन कहीं दूर रख के सो सुबह पहले काम निपटा ले 15-20 मिनट भले थोड़ा वाइब आएगा फोन उठाने का but then don't go for it. Just try to control yourself
Yeah,
for the first few days. It will get normal. Now,
yeah.
who is the most cringiest content creator according to you? Maybe one or more.
See, there are so many creators on Instagram also. They were on TikTok and everyone. I'm not saying TikTok is a cringy platform, but I'm saying these people who are literally slapping girls or girls are slapping boys or playing or having fun with
Pranks.
blind people or stuff like that.
Mhm.
It's cringe, and there is no two thoughts about it. Like it
Okay.
is cringe, and whatever and whomsoever is doing it is should not do it. It's
Okay.
simple words.
Nice.
So
nice.
कहीं पे भी ये देख लोगे तो समझ जाना, I consider them cringe. And second, nowadays I've realized that abusing is also not something which is very much supportive
But people
from the
enjoy it a
platforms.
lot,
Like
यार. आप हिंदुस्तानी भाव को देखो.
नहीं,
Now, I recently came across
but
another.
yeah, he's also cringe. I can say it out loud that he's cringe. I'm saying, see, So obviously there is this balance of frustration and
Mm-hmm.
abusiveness.
Mm-hmm.
So internet pe everyone loves frustrating videos or
Yes, yes.
frustration videos
Ranting videos.
because
तभी कैरी मिनाटी वायरल
everyone
हुआ.
is, yeah, so
Hmm.
that is why he's the biggest YouTuber in India.
Yes, yes.
But at the same time, if you're just very badly abusing and not, I don't know how to balance it, because there is obviously education, you need that particular awareness to
Hmm.
understand even the comedy of it. So uh, yeah,
That's deep.
Hindustani Bhav is also one of them. And this what guy, he Dalal something naam hai na uska, Kalal,
हाँ दीपक कलाल. लॉल.
Deepak Kalal. Oh my
लॉल.
god,
अरे यार वो तो
shit,
बहुत
he's
cringy है.
cringe, man.
But he's
He's
not a
cringe. And
content
Rakhi
creator. I'm
Sawant
talking,
also.
हाँ, but I'm talking about content
He's
creator.
a huge content creator,
अच्छा,
bro.
I don't follow
He's like
him. Thank God. Randomly कहीं memes में आ जाता है तो ठीक है दिखता है. Okay, चलो, that's great.
yeah,
I
yeah.
really appreciate your point of view and respect towards the humanity. Now, show us your screen time iPhone में.
Oh, this is crazy.
So this is the last rapid fire
And
round. You might need to drink some
yeah,
water
oh
because
my
मेरी
god.
आधी
So
खत्म.
you shit. So it's 6 hours 17 minutes, which
On
is
Instagram.
today. Today. No, no. So on Instagram it's 1 hour 53 minutes.
Okay.
It's just today. अभी भी 3 घंटे बचे हैं. Then so basically why it is increasing, bro, because I love playing this game called Flight Simulator. So
सब अपना हो
so
रहा है,
it
right?
takes around it takes around 1 hour of every day whenever I am done with work.
By the way, I am a gamer as
Yesterday it
well.
was, oh
I'm
wow.
exploring my opportunities in esports. So yeah.
Oh, I love flight simulators. Matlab, I don't
Yeah,
know.
addiction
It's
है वो, actually addiction
yesterday.
है.
Yeah. And 1 hour, so it's gone like this. One
हाँ,
flight,
पता
takeoff,
नहीं
landing, gone.
पता.
Yeah.
उड़ने का
But it's,
मजा
I
अलग
don't
है
know. I
ना.
like it. I feel therapeutic when I do that. I just feel like I'm into that. That's all.
Here is a pun कि कुछ खा के पी के या फूक के उड़ने से अच्छा है फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर में उड़ो. So I know it's not that good. पर वो
Yeah.
फीलिंग उड़ने की बहुत अच्छी
Yeah.
है. Okay.
Be that high.
Be that high. Okay. So now our rapid fire round has ended, and I think बहुत अच्छा था. It was neither too fast, neither too slow. And do remember your water because we might
Oh
need it.
yeah.
है ना?
Shit.
And
It's full.
okay, so now some more valuable and sensible questions. Now we know who the Ayush is. Now we want to know from Ayush's experience and expertise and all the knowledge bank that he has. What is marketing according to you?
See, what I feel is we in India know how to create a lot of stuff, like from every genre, whatever it is. But marketing is something where you need to know your thing in one line, like
Okay.
maybe less than that,
Okay.
and then explore any and every possibility around that one summary log line of your product.
Okay.
So if, like obviously you can market in different platforms, different mediums and everything else, but your one liner or your log line, it should be so clear and so on point that that filter should be the core thought of every marketing. Abhi kya hota hai?
Right message.
People market, yeah, right, not just message.
Okay.
जैसे आप log line, जैसे if I'll say कि if I want to market Queen movie जो कंगना
Okay.
रनावत की थी,
हाँ, I've seen.
so what's one line in that? एक लड़की शादी के दिन उसकी शादी टूट जाती है एंड वो अकेले हनीमून पे जाती है एंड लाइफ डिस्कवर करती है.
Okay.
ये एक लाइन में मैंने पूरी मूवी बता दी, राइट? इट्स अ लॉग लाइन. अभी अगर मैं इस लाइन का मतलब हर मार्केटिंग कैंपेन में रेडी करूंगा, चाहे वो ऑफलाइन हो, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन हो, चाहे वो डिजिटल हो, चाहे वो कहीं पे भी हो, if this feel is there, you're marketing the movie at a right way.
Okay.
So the emotion of that particular product or anything else should be very clearly marketed, and that is why I consider as marketing, and
Okay.
it'll lead to branding also at the same time
Right.
later
So I
on.
recently made a video, a reel from one of my recorded sessions that emotion
Yeah.
is one of the biggest surprise element, the secret element for content getting more aware, viral, brand, whatever you call. So
Yeah.
emotion, of course, plays a huge role in marketing. But if I okay, usually people ask, I'm gonna do a practical with you right here so that everybody learns. सबने जॉर्डन बेलफोर्ड की मूवी देखी है, द वुल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट, उसमें try selling this pen to me है. So for example, try selling this pen to me, but I want you to try selling a comb to a bald guy.
Okay,
I hope
so
that doesn't sound too challenging.
no, so okay, so okay, so
So we'll get to learn
so
something if
he
you
might
can.
okay, so he might be around 45ish, 50, right? So
XYZ,
he
whatever persona you want to give.
chalo chalo theek hai. So let me tell you. Okay, fine. So this guy is around 40, 45, or maybe 50. One
Mhm.
kid is also there.
Okay.
एक बच्ची है, एक बेटा है. So if you are watching an ad, I'm telling you an ad, okay?
Okay, cool,
So
cool.
what will happen is, ये बंदा जाता है शॉप में, and obviously this guy, I'm trying to sell the com to him. So I'm like, अरे ये ले लो, अच्छा कॉम भी ले लो. He's like, तू मेरा मजाक क्यों उड़ा रहा है, तू कॉम क्यों लेने की, मैं क्यों लूंगा, मेरे बाल ही नहीं है.
बाली नहीं.
तो he's like, अच्छा tell me one thing, आपके बच्चे हैं? He was like, yeah, है, मेरे छोटे बच्चे हैं. तो he's like, imagine, उनको पता है कि आपका दर्द है, आपके बालों में, आपके सर पे बाल नहीं है, राइट? तो आपको दुख होता होगा, आपको बुरा लगता होगा, आप छुपाते होगे, टोपी पहनते होगे, जो भी है, अगर या तो आप ठीक भी हो. But imagine, instead of buying dolls and other stuff, if you'll buy them a comb which you can't use, and you have that pain of not using it, and then you're buying it for them, that's more than a gift.
That's a
So just take this,
deep thing. Nice.
give it to them and enjoy.
Wow.
So
Cheers, man. Cheers. So I really again, this is emotional tapping and sales में
I'm
marketing
touching
में.
in his soft point.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
fuck, अच्छा मैं ऐसी चीज को, sorry,
It's all right.
F bombing.
So I really appreciated that. It's amazing gesture that you make someone realize that your pain points can also be converted into a happy moment. So I really appreciate that. I mean,
100%,
actually
yeah.
that body is gonna buy a box and then distribute it to everybody in the house and in his
Yeah.
area. That's nice.
It's like
So-
you're wearing your fears and just going all out.
Yes, I really appreciate that. Good one, bro. Good one. So again, my next valuable question to you is, what is video marketing and what is influencer marketing? Because now, like, every influencer is on video, they are not using any other content type much. So let's keep those questions separate, but I want you to answer both in the rhythm. What is video marketing and what is
Okay.
influencer marketing according to you?
So see, in general, video is a medium where you can watch and connect very quickly, right? So first I'll talk, like, in short, first 2 minutes I want to talk about video creation, and then it'll lead to marketing, and then obviously influencer marketing.
Okay.
So whenever we get any brand on board or any brief on board, what we try to understand is what's the problem they're solving, right?
Right.
There are 2-3 different sections of video marketing. One can be as quick as a TVC or a digital film or something like that. Second can be a one storytelling, but a 10-minute proper structure of some episode, or it's a web show, right? So
Okay.
there are different levels of marketing.
Okay.
If you want to create a web show, obviously you have seen shows like Pictures or Permanent Roommates or Tripling or Kota Factory, like An Academy or Abhi Aspirant. So TVF shows, I'm giving examples. Or even in Dice Media, this MBBS show came, which is proper An Academy show. So that is the highest level of marketing, which put a lot of money and then they do it
Efforts and all,
and create that story according to the product, according to the feeling of the product,
right,
and the usage of the product. When it comes to short term, imagine I want to because IPL is coming and I suddenly want to increase the sales. I can't wait for a web show to get created, right? It'll take 1 year. So what I'll do is I have three options. First is a small episode and get a good content creator, create that.
Okay.
Second is get an influencer. Or third is TVCs. So TVCs is already there. It's old school. Up there it is two things. One is quick content creation, which is done by big creators, which is expensive. And then this is the influencer. So when it comes to creating this content, which is 10-15 minutes, you quickly deliver on the plot point of what the product is. And that is something which give you the immediate return of your downloads or promo codes or whatever you are having. And then this is influencer marketing. Ab influencer marketing is actually changing everything now.
Mm-hmm.
पहले क्या होता था, brands used to go to agencies,
Hmm.
agencies used to get the brands and they used to create content, and then there are so many
Influencers,
commission
yeah.
and others.
Agencies
No.
used to look for influencers, na?
Influencers and creators,
हाँ,
yeah. And then conversion का कोई answerable नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है,
we
सब
have
चल
done a
रहा
lot
है,
of
खूब पैसा लग
campaigns.
रहा
We have done a
है.
lot.
Yeah. अब क्या
मिर्जापुर
हो रहा
किया
है?
था.
It's literally like you don't have to open a shop to buy a product. You can online order like Amazon. You don't
Right.
need a shop to sell something.
Right.
That is what is happening with influencers. You can just directly connect with influencers and use that immediate response of audience on your product just by a swipe up
Okay.
or something like that. So yeah, so basically what is happening is just like shops. You don't need a shop right now. You can just order Amazon. What is happening is there are so many influencers in India nowadays, right? And around 600 to 700 million internet users are there.
Okay.
In next 5 years, obviously Indian audience is the biggest audience on internet right now. And in next 5 years, there are 800 more million users are going to come on internet. Imagine.
Wow.
Because obviously internet will be more easier accessible. Starlink will come or Geo will expand into villages and stuff. Phones will be more easily accessible. Imagine how many more influencers are going to come.
Right.
And how many more audience are going to be there on internet to consume content. Up how if somebody is sitting in a village or in a tier 3 city who is having a following, how will a brand reach to them, right? If so, basically brands are trying to figure that out.
Okay.
And in next 2 to 3 years there will be no middlemen, there will be no agencies in on a larger scale. I'm talking about there will be influencers. Okay, I want to choose these 100 influencers as a brand to market my product.
Yeah.
And I'll
Brand face,
give them this. And this is already happening in Canada and UK and everywhere. Like my friends are on such certain apps, they're doing stuff.
हाँ आ गई हैं बहुत सारी applications आ गई हैं.
Yeah, अभी मतलब ऐसा एकदम mainstream नहीं हुआ है कि everybody is aware of it, but few
Just
educated good influencers, yeah. But it's gonna happen very soon, and then it's gonna change the whole marketing setup of India as an influencer.
Right.
Abhi, so it's exactly like Uber or exactly like Amazon. It's exactly like urban company where there's a head of something, where there's big company or Facebook or Instagram. अब फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम और उबर क्या हो रहा है, उन लोगों ने पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया ना एक सेक्टर को. अभी इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग और इन्फ्लुएंसर होल सेक्टर इज नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. सब अपने अपने में कुछ कुछ कर रहे हैं. किसी को प्रोडक्ट मिल जा रहा है, किसी को पैसा मिल जा रहा है, किसी को मोनेटाइज हो रहा है, किसी को नहीं हो रहा है. एंड देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट ऑफ इट. 100% it's gonna get organized in next 3 to 4 years maximum. And then it will be so easy to market smallest of the products or the biggest of the products.
Nice.
Just
that's great to know.
Just a click away.
Great. So do you consider yourself as an influencer?
I want to, obviously everybody, but I want to be not exactly influencer. I want to be inspiring.
Okay.
To maybe 10 people, that's all.
So when somebody asks me,
yeah,
I reply almost the same, but on a very different tangent. So when somebody asks me कि आप influencer हो या बनना चाहते हो, so I say no. Even though some people consider me as an influencer, I really don't want to be, because I actually want to be considered as a thought leader that I'm in the process of. So just like you said, inspiring. So thought leaders are inspiring. Thought leaders are aspiring. They are, inspirational. So why not? That's a great approach. I really appreciate. So that's why the cliche question I actually wanted to ask. Okay, the next question is, since you are working for Amazon Prime and you have some know-how about YouTube channel and videos, a lot of know about, I want you to share some basic hygienes of maintaining a YouTube channel, uploading or shooting a video, so that all the viewers should get some benefit out of it. कि क्या नहीं करना चाहिए और क्या करना चाहिए. Do's and don'ts. Go ahead. Take it.
So see, YouTube is something which changes so rapidly when it comes to the setting of it. Like when it comes to the, in simpler words, the behavior of YouTube. So what's the summary of couple of things which I came through is, see, so as whoever is watching also have seen this, there are so many creators who went up like anything, and then they
We have
reached
seen it.
that plateau where the views stopped,
Yes.
or it became like an average
Stagnant.
views,
Yeah.
and then it went down. So it's like a cat and mouse race where you are running behind trend and trend is running behind different events, so you can't ever
Catch
reach
it. Yeah.
that particular or catch that particular trend. So abhi kuch bhi hota tha, everybody wants to create something around that, right?
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
So, and it works. So there are 3 4 things which you have to keep in mind when you want to start. First is obviously the voice of your channel, the voice of your content, मतलब voice in the sense uh, क्यों कर रहे, पहले तो खुद के लिए वाई करो, पूछो क्यों बनाना है, क्यों बनाना है, क्यों बनाना है। अगर मुझे मुझे कॉमेडी करना है तो अच्छा क्यों कॉमेडी करना है, क्यों कॉमेडी करने का आंसर मिलेगा तो कैसे कॉमेडी करना है, और उसमें तुम क्या करोगे एंड वो कैसे करोगे, एंड देन जब वो कर पाओगे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल I want to start a podcast, for example, then why I want to do this, because I love creating podcast, for
Okay.
example, या फिर मैं
Okay.
वो content देख के मुझे मजा आता है तो मेरे को करना है, or else I'm curious. Next is कैसे करूंगा, ओके ठीक है, तो कौन करता है, तो कैसे कर सकते, किस किस क्वालिटी में हो सकता है, तो ये why पहले से सवाल का आंसर मिलना बहुत जरूरी कि मुझे करना क्यों है, क्या मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ, क्या मुझे फेमस होना है, बिकॉज सी अगर फेमस होना इज योर टारगेट, then your motivation will die in some time, because it's very difficult to get that click and get that
Right.
audience
Right.
out of nowhere, because it's a consistency game. There's so many big influencers or YouTubers जहाँ पे उनको सालों लग गए एक वीडियो वायरल करने में, but then when it picks up and then you get some particular good following. So you never run behind कि I want to be famous, that is why I want to create content.
Right.
At least have a thought behind it. When you get that thought, second is consistency.
Okay.
Consistency in the sense, obviously it's a very cliche answer, but it's like you
No, no,
have
no.
to
It's mother of all.
have a
Yeah, I agree with you. It's mother of
yeah
all
yeah yeah
success.
so you have to follow a basic hygiene, you have to follow a basic, like it's, I'm not saying कि दिन में 5 वीडियो डालो या महीने में 2 डालो, but depending on the efforts of your video, imagine if you're creating a podcast or a reaction video, you can create one video in a day, right?
Easily.
अब because efforts नहीं है, दिन में 2 घंटे काम करो और वीडियो ऐसे बनाओ। अगर if you're not a full time creator, I'm talking, if you're a full time creator, then you should create as much as possible in less amount of time. But if it's a format where you can quickly create, at least try to put 1 or 2 videos every week. या फिर this is minimum, and you should post at least 1 video every day if you can, if it's possible. But don't miss एक week में डाला, फिर 3 week बाद दूसरा डाल रहे हैं, फिर 4 week बाद तीसरा डाल रहे हैं. It's gonna take a lot of time. But at the same time, if you're creating an episode or something like a story telling wala thing, you can create 1 video or 2 video in a month, because
Right.
obviously you can't create so many content, but at the same time 15 दिन में डालो, फिर 15 दिन का टारगेट बना लो कि next 15 days में I'll post one other episode.
Right.
And always try to third point is try to package it under the same name or same set of titles. मतलब उसको एक शो की तरह निकालो, YouTube पे निकालो, जैसे podcast 1 2 3 4 5 6, उसको एक थीम दे, जैसे for example you started with 1 liter water bottle.
Yeah.
So if you'll follow this for 10 things, it will become a thing, right?
Yeah.
आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो परसों it will become famous, and then they'll be like, अरे ऐसे 10 videos और हैं जिसमें लोगों ने 1 लीटर पानी पी के
I might
podcast
give you
दिया है.
credits for this.
So वो
Okay.
एक थीम देना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes. Yes.
Then fourth is watch time. On YouTube, nothing else matters. Content बाद में आता है. Everything comes late. But if watch time is there, by default, you'll get more organic reach and recommendations from YouTube. This is 100% proven right now.
Yes, I've seen it.
Views कितना भी हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर watch time में 60% लोग तुम्हारा वीडियो पूरा देख रहे हैं, it's a great thing to have. Fifth is thumbnails. And so I'll tell you, Mayank, also कि nowadays the only thing that matters is thumbnail and title. And this is a hard truth. Like, as I said, algorithms keep on changing, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
kitne bhi subscribe, if you have 10 million subscribers, it does not matter if you don't have a
Good thumbnail.
clickbaity
Thumbnail.
clickbaity, you can call it, it's a sad reality, but you need to have that acha, I want to see this, like aha movement hona chahiye jab you watch that particular thumbnail, and then it should match with your title. So and it's the most important key factor to get click through rates.
You remember,
And
sorry to
yeah,
interrupt, when we used to work at Witty Feed, ARD team का देवेश,
yeah,
we used to have a lot of fights with him क्योंकि brand और उसकी अप्रोच में फर्क होता था, because he wanted कि बहुत ऑर्गेनिक क्लिक्स आए कंटेंट पे, तो वीडियो का या आर्टिकल का थंबनेल बहुत ज्यादा क्लिक बेटी होना चाहिए, that should match the content. At the same time, we couldn't pitch the same kind of thumbnail to the brands or agencies कि यार हम ये ऐसा
yeah,
thumbnail.
yeah.
So there again, the algorithm has always been favoring thumbnails and titles, especially on YouTube and everywhere else. This is a major takeaway. So
No, but so I guess also there's a slight difference between creating a bad thumbnail and creating a clickbaity thumbnail which does not have bad elements in it.
enlighten
Like,
us, please.
so for example, I want to create something that revolves around death,
Okay.
which is a dark topic, right?
Yes.
So I have two options right now. I can play around the words and
Mm.
keep that clickbaity title, and maybe keep a dead body ka photo on the screen, or else I can simply write the title, and at the same time I don't want to show dead body, right? But at the
Mm.
same time I'll just show the simple normal picture which is not that disturbing.
Okay.
ठीक
But
है?
the disturbing
So
picture
अब
will get
these,
more clicks, by the way. Because in
exactly,
social
that is
media,
where
negative
that,
and controversial content is like fire. Spreads like fire.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. But if again, talking about not using dirty elements is very important. Like अगर मैं कोई dead body भी दिखा रहा हूँ, so it should not be very much into blood or stuff like that.
Mm.
It should be still conveying the message, but at the same time not making it difficult to actually watch it. That is why Instagram flag all those posts which
Huh.
have graphic content.
So again,
So
let me
yeah,
add something here and ask you something. Do you agree to this? What I'm gonna say next? Yes or no? That Instagram page, if we see a story or a post that says sensitive content, see video, sensitive content, see image, people tend to click it more rather than exploring any other content around.
100.
Do you
That's
agree?
human, man. Like that's human. Like मम्मी ने बोला है वहां मत जाना तो मैं जाऊंगा ही
वहाँ
जाऊंगा,
जाएंगे. Agree.
and that came from there. And but at the same time when I'm going there I'm more aware.
But that
For
awareness
two
doesn't
things
matter.
of
But you
like,
actually watch the full
no, no, no,
content,
no.
na?
Two things of awareness na man. First is it's कि मम्मी को ना पता चले, तो first is that.
So your
Second is if
antennas,
something is
surrounding antennas,
danger,
yeah.
yeah, if
Yeah.
if something is danger I'm at least alert about it.
Uh-huh.
So if I'm clicking on it I'm alert to watch a graphic content.
Right.
I'm not saying I can't watch it, I'm saying I'm alert to watch it.
So that
I
is
chose to
why
watch.
Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube have explicitly, kept a limit of explicit content, any kind of pornographic or graphical content, nudity related, and then blood related content or hate speech or violence related content. So these are few categories that, because they also know कि अगर ये fake भी हुआ तो भी viral होगा, so called viral. So people tend to create such controversial or explicit type of content, that clickbaity thumbnail what we were talking about. भले पूरे आप Facebook के watch section में जाओगे ना आयुष, if you have spent some time there. I've spent some time in my last lockdown and I regret it though, but it's all right. Facebook के videos में, video feed में ऐसे ऐसे thumbnails आएंगे जो वो थंबनेल में से दिखा रहा है पूरे वीडियो में नहीं मिलेगा. एंड you'll watch the, अच्छा म्यूजिक भी ऐसा रहेगा बैकग्राउंड का, टन 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 टन, एंड यू लाइक hooked up. Like वो 25 मिनट का वीडियो you cannot step out because you are just waiting for that thumbnail वाला part in that video and you are like going crazy and finally you don't find it and you step back. So I believe that yes, thumbnails play
See,
a
it's exactly
huge role.
it's exactly you're right. It's like मैंने जैसे अगर हमारे पास डॉग या कैट है, हमने एक उनको ट्रीट दिया तो they're like, oh अच्छा चलो thank you, they're happy. Exactly, that thumbnail and that
Like a treat.
whole setup is that bait कि भाई अभी रुक जाओ, खाओ और जाओ. तो वो
right,
तुम पे
right,
ध्यान देने
right.
लगते हैं ना. It's like that तुमको. So that is why if you'll see, most of the views and most of the attraction goes to such creators which plays these kind of content on their platform, and not a very worth watching wala content.
Right.
but theek hai, I can come on that later. Maybe you have such questions about content.
Yeah.
But obviously, gradually things are changing, and people like the Gen Z started watching better content now
Much more sensible
as
now.
compared to
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. Great. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot for giving us the perks of YouTube. My next question is, what's your take on spirituality? Do you follow some guru? Do you follow some platform, or do you have some
See,
mummy
there's this
papa
book
wale
called
guruji? Okay.
no. So I have no idea about Mummy Papa Wale Guru, but
Okay.
so I started watching Sadhguru 2019 Decemberish. I was in a low state of
Everybody
mind
comes.
that time.
Have you done inner
Yeah.
engineering?
So I have this book. I've read it almost 80%, and
Okay.
I try to follow it sometimes not, but not a like a regular follower of it. But
We are
I
human.
love watching his videos. And then I started watching the Dalai Lama's video, and I started loving Jai Shetty also. See, so Jai Shetty ka book bhi hai, Sadhguru ka book bhi hai idhar, and
Even I love Sadhguru and
so
Jai
it's
Shetty. Nice.
yeah. So I'm not saying everything they are saying is 100% correct or whatever, but at least at the same time they give understanding of what happening within yourself.
They trigger the
So
food for
I don't
thought.
want to challenge. Yeah, I don't want to challenge. Maybe they are right. Maybe it's hypothetical. Maybe whatever it is, it gives me happiness. I just want to watch it. I want to follow, and it helped. It helped to be more calmer. It helped whenever you follow it on a regular basis. And at the end of the day, everything is in one thing. Ki bhai, you talk to your own self. You stay with you. And this common saying is there, na ki if you can't. So yeah, first if his summary is to be with yourself. चाहे जय
Agreed.
शेट्टी हो गया, चाहे वो दलाई लामा हो गया, चाहे वो कोई भी हो.
कोई भी हो.
Second is, if you can't sit in a room for 30 minutes alone, then you are in a bad company.
Right.
Right. So अगर मैं अपने साथ ही आधे घंटे बैठ के मैं chill नहीं कर सकता, so मतलब मेरी कंपनी दूसरों को कितनी बुरी लगती
Very
होगी.
true, Baba. Very true. I can spend hours with me. So yes, good. Again,
So that is why we are spending together hours. So
yes. So I have one very good point that I just caught from your entire statement. You said it helped me keep me more calm.
yeah.
So tell me more about so abhi spiritual ki baatein chal rahi hai. So tell me more about your non-calm thing, so-called anger or something. Tell us more about it.
Yeah.
Because see, it's all
Yeah. So
it's in everyone, right? Even I'm angry about something. I'm frustrated about something. So I don't want to know what made you calm. What I want to know is what kept you angry. What kept you angry, and what made you do? What it made you do? What kind of things?
So see, there are two sides of. So professionally, I'm very rarely angry. I
I
don't
know
care
that.
a
I know
lot
that.
about.
मैंने पूरे
Yeah,
साल में
I'm very
एक
chill
या
with.
दो बार गुस्सा देखा था जब कुछ हुआ था, बाकी तो पूरा
हाँ.
नहीं किया था. हाँ.
But उसमें भी उतना नहीं आता है कि एकदम लाइफ में आग लग जाए. But personally, see, so I used to have this. I don't know. I still have it or not. But I used to have this impulsive burst of anger
Okay.
at something or someone or whatever it is.
Okay.
And then I used to think that it's very normal. Like, oh, that's how everybody gets angry. You can be explosive about it and then stuff. So I was like this even in my 12th 11th. I was like this in my college. I was like this in my initial days of career, and still like till last year I had such remainings of that burst. And so उसमें basically होता है कि for 5 minutes or like, so something keeps on coming and you are saying something, and maybe people are not understanding, or maybe you are thinking irrationally or whatever it is. You lead to a point. I used to lead to a point where I don't want to hear anything. And the moment I get something in return, that time I just can't take it. So it burst, and then I was like, and
what the fuck?
क्या हुआ? So क्या हुआ था कि now when finally I met someone where we introspected that why it happens.
Okay.
And then I realized the fact that it comes from a lot of maybe insecurity about something, maybe
Being
dependency
overambitious?
on the other person.
True.
No. Again, professionally, no ambition and things and stuff. But yeah, so basically, अभी इसका फिर मैंने एक दो therapy sessions लिया. I was like, I just want to understand what is wrong. Is it normal or it is not normal? You're like,
what did you
no.
find out?
So yeah, so then I had couple of sessions, and then obviously I came to know a lot about like the reasons behind this, and
Okay.
it went obviously back to the childhood and stuff,
Mm.
where I always used to change places where I used to live.
Mhm.
And even in, so maximum at one place I lived for 3 years maximum.
Okay.
And maybe 1 year 2 year also, 3 साल में मेरी जगह चेंज होती थी, कॉलेजेस,
ठीक
स्कूल,
है.
and then इसमें क्या होता है ना कि you think that you're right when you're angry,
Mhm.
and nobody is wrong when they are angry about something. Everyone is right. If 10 people are angry in a room, they all are right at that point of time.
Okay.
So when I realized that I never had so many friends in my life, because I kept on changing places.
Mm.
So whenever I am close with someone, whenever I am in emotional relation with someone,
You are
I
emotionally
depend
invested
a
with
lot on
someone.
them.
Yes.
I
True.
depend a lot on them, because they are the only uh like not escape, release of my life, right? And that is why the expectations increases, and then the
Mm.
expectation increases, obviously you start thinking irrationally, and then you started bursting out to them or to yourself. So that was the whole thing. And yeah, so that from there in 2019, and I came to know about Sadhguru, and then I realized that थोड़ा better हुआ, and then I took
Mm.
therapy, and then एक दो बार में ही sorted, क्योंकि समझदार लोगों को जल्दी समझ में आ जाता है,
इशारा
तो
काफी है. Good.
शायद
Good.
मुझे थोड़ा सा समझ आया,
Self
and then every time
proclamation.
when I, हाँ इस चीज में मैं बहुत एक्टिव ब्रो, मैंने बहुत वीडियोस देखे, मैंने
Good.
सब खत्म कर दिया, मैंने किताबें
Good.
खरीद ली, मैंने पढ़ लिया, मैं पूरा खा गया, मैंने बोला नहीं अभी मेरे को ऐसा नहीं रहना है, अभी सब कुछ ठीक है लाइफ में, अभी क्यों मैं पास्ट का बैगेज लेके घूमूं.
Agreed.
सो आई डिड दैट, एंड सो अभी कभी भी कुछ ऐसा बर्स्ट आता है किसी चीज का, तो मैं सोचता हूँ यार ये परसों तक मुझे क्या मैटर करेगी, ये चीज नहीं करेगी ना, 4 दिन बाद नहीं
Very
करेगी,
right.
5 साल बाद नहीं करेगी. फर्स्ट थॉट. सेकंड इज लीव दैट रूम. लाइक the most difficult thing to do for me whenever I used to get angry was to leave the room. Like
Leave the
I
space.
want to
Yes.
finish that conversation immediately.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave that room. I will not leave the room, but at least now I realize that नहीं भाई चलो 15 मिनट बाद. And I'll tell you one thing. After 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, bro, 5 मिनट बाद मेरे को गिल्ट होगा कि मैंने यार इतना गुस्सा क्यों कर दिया. And then I'll go and I will be the first
And
person to
yeah,
say sorry.
sorry. Yeah, that's an achievement.
But
By the way,
and वो
I
5
I
दिन तक मुझे गिल्ट रहता है कि
I
यार मैंने
learned
क्यों
this.
किया ये
I
चीज.
learned this art in 2016, and trust me, it has helped me throughout. And अभी right now I'm changing the topic. मेरे घर पे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा yummy delicious बन रहा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. So I might नहीं मैं नहीं जा रहा. Don't worry.
अरे no, you can go if you want.
Chill. Okay, so thanks a lot for sharing your honest opinions and your personal things. Now, my next question is, tell us more about your journey, how you started, and what kind of hurdles did you face in your entire journey,
So
professional journey,
yaar,
professional.
yeah. So I was in engineering, SRM Chennai.
Mhm.
So I finished, I was average student, 70-80% types.
Mhm.
And then, but I was always active in a lot of extracurricular activities.
70-80% average होता है? इंजीनियरिंग में
Yeah,
होता होगा.
like हाँ अच्छा तो नहीं होता.
अच्छा
तो
ठीक है
शायद
चलो.
एवरेज ही होता होगा.
Okay.
अच्छा से 85 के ऊपर होता है. So
Okay.
तो फिर क्या हुआ कि yeah, so I got placed in 3 companies in 7th semester. And I was really happy. I was like चलो ठीक है, but those companies were IT companies. But तब तक मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था इस फील्ड के बारे में कुछ भी. I was like हाँ चलो ठीक है, अभी Infosys जाएंगे या फिर TCS जाएंगे और चिल करेंगे. 7th सेमेस्टर में प्लेसमेंट हो गया. जब एंड हुआ तो एक सब्जेक्ट था जिसमें बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया, उसमें लग गया बैक. एंड दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट एवर back in any subject in 3.5 years of engineering experience. Around 40 subjects कभी नहीं लगा, उस समय लग गया. अब उससे क्या होता है कि after 8th semester again I have to repeat that, and I'll not be able to get the joining date because मेरे को ये clear करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
So I went to rechecking. I was like नहीं, and they were like 1 mark से fail हो गए, 1 mark से. बोले कि मैंने बोला अरे ये क्या बात हुई यार, बढ़ा दो. एंड बढ़ भी रहे थे शायद. They're like no अब नहीं कर सकते and stuff. Then I repeated. 8th semester खत्म हुआ, 15 दिन मेरा ज्वाइनिंग डेट को मेरे को डिले करना पड़ा. मेरा ज्वाइनिंग डेट आ गया था. आई टोल्ड देम कि मेरा एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल लगा है, आई जस्ट रीडिड इट एंड आई गेट माय रिजल्ट. दे वर लाइक चलो ठीक है 15 दिन बाद बता देना जब भी रिजल्ट आए. लाइक ठीक है. अब मैं घर चला गया आफ्टर गिविंग दैट एग्जाम. रिजल्ट आया 15 दिन बाद. मैंने उनको मैसेज किया इन्फोसिस को दैट अरे आई एम कमिंग, सॉरी आई गॉट माय, आई क्लियर्ड इट एंड देन let me know when I have to come. क्योंकि अभी ज्वाइनिंग डेट तो निकल गया मेरे एक फेल होने के कारण। तो अब भाई मैं घर चला गया जबलपुर में, एंड आई वाज लाइक चल आएगा, 15 दिन में आ जाएगा, 20 दिन में आ जाएगा। एक महीना हो गया, मैं जिम विम किया, बढ़िया मैंने रेडी हो गया। 2 महीना हो गया, अब मैं देख रहा हूँ मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स को ज्वाइनिंग डेट आ रहा है, मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ। 3 महीना हो गया, and while this was happening, obviously I was from a college where everybody almost got placed and almost everybody got their joinings. So I was like यार, एंड मेरे से ज्यादा फेल हुए लोग, बट 7th सेमेस्टर में नहीं हुए। 6th सेमेस्टर में मैं फेल होता, 7th में क्लियर करता, 8th में ज्वाइन कर लेता। बट 7th में फेल होने के कारण 8th में मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाया। तो मेरे बहुत सारे लोगों को मिल गया, मैं घर पे बैठ के, मे बी आई वाज, सी दैट टाइम यू वर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ डिप्रेशन और स्टफ लाइक दैट। आई वाज लाइक, बट मैं था, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत लो था दैट टाइम आई वाज इन माय लाइफ। सो देयर वाज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इन माय लैपटॉप दैट टाइम कॉल्ड आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स। तो आई वाज लाइक टाइम पास करना है तो चलो यही देखता हूँ क्या है। सो मैंने ओपन किया, आई स्टार्टेड watching tutorials and then doing, and then suddenly I used to do it for 18 hours in a day.
Wow.
And I used to sleep, eat and do it, and sleep, eat and do it. That's all.
Blessing
It
in
was fun.
disguise. Blessing in disguise.
Yeah. And I was like, and at the same time I was very like sad, अरे यार joining नहीं आ रहा है, joining नहीं आ रहा है। Bro 4 महीने हो गए, 5 महीने हो गए, अभी भी नहीं आया। सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं अभी। दिस टाइम पे आई वाज सो लॉस्ट विद माय एडिटिंग दैट मुझे जाना ही नहीं था। And then I joined Mac. Mac was an animation institute in Jabalpur.
Okay, and
I
that way,
went there for went there for 1 month. I was like, इनसे ज़्यादा तो मुझे पता चल गया, 3 महीने में मैंने बहुत सीख लिया। So then I applied for internship in TVF, AIB, Wittyfeed. Wittyfeed में they called me for internship. Then I went to Wittyfeed. I joined there as an intern, and I told my mom and dad that अभी मैं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, but as soon as I'll get the joining, I'll go to
that you knew
Infosys.
that's never gonna come. Okay.
Yeah. No, I was still not. I was like,
Okay.
maybe I'll go. But in 1 month of that internship period, and I don't know so you have seen this or not, but I used to stay in office with
Acha.
feed me.
No, I have never seen.
There was this room for sleeping and
I
stuff.
stayed there for a few days because
So this is 2016. This is 2016.
I joined in 18 now, so I also use that room for sleeping and spending nights because campaigns and all, midnight campaigns.
So I used to stay there, and एक महीने में इतना काम किया, it's like ये तो fun है, ये तो काम है ही नहीं। So and then they offered me job, and I was like, ठीक है, I signed the contract. I was like, max to max, I have to break the bond and leave. So I'll do that, and signed without telling my parents. And then after 2 months, this is 8 months of waiting. After 8 months, I got my joining date in Feb, from June to Feb.
Wow.
And then I'm like, oh, hello, I don't want to join anymore and stuff. So then I told my dad that, hello, ऐसा scene है, I just want to do this, and performer of the month और वो सब एक आध बार मिल गया था. I was very happy and stuff. And then I said कि मुझे 1 साल दे दो, I want to do this. If I'll not do good, I'll do MBA or I'll get some other job.
Okay.
He was supportive. He was like, चलो ठीक है, देख लो, हमें कोई idea. And that time 2016 digital was nothing apart from TVF and AIB. कोई और चैनल नहीं, कोई फेमस चीजें नहीं, मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, कुछ भी बना रहे थे छोटा छोटा उस समय. एंड इवन Wittyfeed was transitioning from articles to videos that time.
Yes.
So but I was like, no, this is what I want to do, editing and then VFX and animation and design. And then from there it just went up. It just like that was the best decision. And obviously because I failed on that subject, imagine अगर मैं fail नहीं होता 1 mark से,
your entire life would have been different. You would have not been here. You would have been an engineer, or maybe serving in Infosys, and maybe got bored and then started your own startup, or maybe
अभी MBA कर रहा होता है, MBA का कोई job कर रहा होता है.
True.
But 1 mark से fail हुआ मैं. 1 mark से, like it was written, ऐसा लगता है.
Even I have such kind of journey. Yes.
Oh, you tell ना.
So I failed in 12th. I was a PCM student. पर जब तक 12th का रिजल्ट आता था ना, so आप you were allowed to give PET, AIEEE and NDA. क्योंकि मैं बायोलॉजी नहीं था तो मैंने दूसरे नहीं दिए, यही 3 कॉम्पिटिटिव दिए. AIEEE में I got 3-digit rank in entire MP. NDA में I got selected in Merchant Navy. और दोनों में सेलेक्ट होने के बाद 12th का रिजल्ट आता है that I did not pass, and I couldn't join any of those fields, and I finally ended up in commerce. And after commerce, I ended up in family business. And frustrated from family business, I started doing job and exploring myself, building my own brand wala Kida. And now I'm here. So
Oh, nice, yeah.
lots of ups and
So
downs.
अगर वो fail नहीं होते तो you would have been in
I,
merchant navy.
maybe in let's say some engineering because मुझे mechanical बहुत
Some
पसंद था so called. But I always
setting up a
aspired to
Tesla.
हाँ, I always aspired to be a mechanical engineer. Always. मतलब मैं जिसको बताता था बोले पागल है तू, तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. But ठीक है, मैंने उससे कुछ बड़ा कर लिया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So I'm happy about it.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, very
so
nice.
so
Yeah.
that's a great
So
journey to
never
know,
know
Ayush.
where.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we just talked about switching cities. How was the experience of switching cities? You just said that it was pretty frustrating in the childhood and all. So have you ever got
Yeah.
expelled from your school or suspended उस कारण से, या family में कोई पापा
No,
या
so
मम्मा
there is
का?
this one.
Hmm.
Yeah, so basically, there's this one fact about me, which is I changed 8 schools in my life
Wow.
in till 12th class. 8 schools, 8
I've gone
different
to two
cities.
only.
And
Uh, you
eight
can have a
schools
water.
means
You can have a water sip.
no, no, okay. Yeah, so I'll have after this. So eight
Okay.
schools means 8 different cities, 8 different set of friends,
Hmm.
8 different set of everything, man. Like the whole childhood was. So that is why I don't have chuddy buddies in my life. Like
I
ऐसे
do. I
कोई नहीं,
do.
अरे भाई अपन 11th में भी एक करते थे और फर्स्ट क्लास में भी एक करते थे.
Hmm.
No one,
Nice.
not
Nice.
even a single person. So
But I'll tell you,
and
it hardly
initially it
matters,
was
yeah. My school time was like pretty much bullied one. So have you ever got bullied?
uh not really, but there was this one time I got bullied
Mm-hmm.
in school. Yeah, I was in football team and then yeah, it was a very mild bullying, but then I
Nahin, but
took a
see
revenge
again, so
properly.
you should not feel bad about that you don't have chuddy buddies, because मेरे जितने chuddy buddies हैं सबने मुझे bully किया है और बहुत लपक के bully किया है. So it's all right, and it's good that you don't have chuddy buddies, because in today's date, if we are
Yeah,
on the same WhatsApp group or same alumni group or something, you feel proud, frankly, that even after your fucking bully, I'm here. So it's
yeah.
okay. You just have to ignore what
And
they say.
also I've realized one thing, that obviously if you're staying in the same city then it's different, but imagine I stayed in one city for the whole life and then I shifted to Chennai and then Mumbai, and then I'm living this lifestyle which is way different from the lifestyle which is happening, and then I'm going back after 3 years and then talking to those guys. Maybe, and I don't know because I am not experienced, but I can't match my tuning with them.
Right.
अब
Okay,
भी अगर
great.
शायद मेरे पास स्टडी बडीज होते तो मैं कर पाता, बट आई डोंट नो, लाइक अभी आई डोंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स. इवन इफ आई गो टू माय hometown, I don't want to go out and just want to stay with parents.
Great. Nice. So since we were talking about your professional journey, Ayush, tell us more about surviving or growth hack tips about being a part of this industry and staying in it and making a dent. Tell us more about it. Like,
So there are two things. Yeah, first is so entry, I'll tell you. So basically what happens is, if you are in some other field or you're starting your career and you're interested in entertainment or media or content or stuff like that, uh, and even if you want to become an actor, like obviously that's a big sector of that, that's a big section of it. So I would always suggest you to learn all the periphery or all the related skill set, at least in a basic level. Like for example, I want to be an actor or I want to be a editor. Okay. Up obviously because I'm starting, before this you can learn anything on internet. You can learn anything on internet
yes,
for
you
free.
can.
So
You
don't
can
think
become
I
an
can't go
actor.
to film school, I can't go to anything. Are you can do anything and everything from internet. I did it. I know I'm a living example of it. So, and there's so even Elon Musk have literally started a spaceship company just by learning it online. So, and reading books, and there's so many things. You don't need a graduate or a degree or a school or whatever it is now. So don't give that excuse to yourself first. Second, when you are learning, you learn at least 2-3 skills related to that particular field. If you want to be an actor, you learn how to do an assistant direction or direction. You learn how to write, you learn how to edit, you learn how to shoot, how to use camera. अब इससे क्या होता है, if I'm applying at some place or I'm even want to do an internship, I don't want to hire someone who wants to become an actor or who just want to become a film director or a film writer or a film editor.
The
I
menial
want to hire
jobs.
someone जिससे मैं सारे काम करा सकूं उस फील्ड के.
So let's say somebody can start with a content writer and then they can find their way out in the company.
Yeah. Even if you're a content writer, imagine you're a content writer. First, you have to write a lot of stuff. Don't wait for someone to give you some job and then only you write. Because as even when I used to hire, I used to ask for scripts. I don't want your CV. I don't want your resume. I don't want anything else. I just want your scripts. So even if you're sitting alone and घर पे वेट कर रहे हो कि कोई जॉब ऑफर आएगा या तुम अप्लाई कर रहे हो, more than that, work on scripts. Whatever you feel like. Script में short films हो सकता है, वेब शोज हो सकता है, फिल्म्स हो सकती है, कुछ भी एड्स हो सकते हैं, कॉपी राइटिंग हो सकती है, बट लिखो. अगर राइटर बना तो लिखो. एट द सेम टाइम नो हाउ टू यूज कैमरा. अभी क्या होता है ना, सी आई एम सेइंग टू एंटर यू नीड मोर probability to enter.
More skill
Probability
sets.
will only, yeah, more skill sets that will increase your probability.
Yes.
Abhi, even in TVF or any digital content creator you see, 90% of them can do something else apart from what they're doing.
Right.
Like, be it TVF, be it AIB, be it anyone else, they can write also, they can act also, they can direct also.
So a few days
I
back
can
when we
edit
were
also.
discussing, you told me that maximum actors in the TVF are not preliminary an actor. They started from some other designation, right?
Yeah. So, and this happens everywhere, like everywhere. So
Yes.
see, everywhere in the sense, whenever, so I'm entering as an editor. For example, I'll just create a hypothetical situation for someone who want to start tomorrow. If you want to enter, you want to do direction, you want to be a director in life. Obviously nobody is gonna ask you कि अरे आजा भाई तू हम सिखाते हैं तुम डायरेक्ट करो, नहीं करेंगे. सेकंड क्या होता है, सेकंड ये होता है कि तुमने क्या बनाया है, तुमने कुछ नहीं बनाया, तुम्हारे पास नहीं है कुछ बनाने के लिए. अब क्या हो सकता है डायरेक्टर के, who is second half director, editor, right? So you learn thoda bahut editing, you shoot something within your city or within your house which is not a story, which is not something bahut acha content, funny content. Just shoot whatever is
You
there,
can.
make a travel video, make a vlog, make anything, but create something, edit, so you have something to show instead of just saying something. Up you entered that company as an intern. Now because you are on sets, while you are editing something, you can help a director, you can see how they're directing. So being an intern editor, you can understand how direction works, how actor works, how different things work, how writers work. And then you can gradually, because you are present there, you have that opportunity to do it someday when nobody is there, or someday when somebody needs help, and they see your energy. And I'm 100% sure that अगर आप ऐसी कहीं जगह पे जाते हो जहां पे आपको एनर्जी है कोई एक चीज करने का, दे विल 100% गिव यू दैट ऑफर. नो चांस दैट वो नहीं करेंगे. So from there you can hold tight and then start growing and be curious about stuff like everything, writing, direction, if in this field, or what others are doing, what people are doing. And हर चीज, एक डायरेक्टर अगर अपना स्टाइल चेंज नहीं करेगा तो वो रेलेवेंट नहीं रहेगा. दैट इज व्हाई बीइंग एन आर्टिस्ट इज very much depend on how you are outgrowing yourself. एक आर्टिस्ट बहुत अच्छा पेंट बनाता है, वो 5 साल तक सेम तरीके का पेंट बनाएगा तो nobody will care about it. उसका खुद का वैल्यू वो कम कर रहा है.
True. Great. So there is a query. I have seen you playing some instrument on Instagram. Tell us more about it.
Yeah. So I used to play guitar when I was in college, and when I was in school, for obvious reasons, because of impressing people. And so I learned that for almost 1 year, and then I got into college, and then it just I stopped it. So recently, last year before lockdown, I was like, I want to give something to myself on my birthday and stuff. So I bought this. Basically, it's a small version of guitar. It's called ukulele. So you can play songs, you can play chords. Yeah. So you can play that, and it's a release for me. Like it gives me that space whenever I need and stuff. So मेरे साथ एक problem है bro. मेरे साथ problem ये है कि I every day I want to learn something new.
I remember when you were signing off from Witty Feed. The only reason that you told me on a very brotherly note कि मयंक ग्रोथ, मुझे रोज कुछ नया सीखना है और मैं यहाँ पे अब रोज कुछ नया नहीं सीख पा रहा हूँ. अब मैं सब एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा हूँ और सैचुरेशन आ गया है and I really need growth, and that can only happen in Mumbai now, not in Indore anymore, not for me.
Yeah.
I really respected your words. Otherwise, I told you that I can stop you from leaving because everything was going smooth and everything was in track, and we actually lost a great captain from production team. So I told you कि मैं तुझे रोक लूंगा अगर तू मुझे genuine reason नहीं देगा तो. But then you gave
Yeah,
me a
I
very
remember
genuine
that
reason.
conversation.
I still respect
And I
that.
still, oh my god, I still, so I'll tell you from, because in last couple of months I was not able to do new things, like कोविड के कारण बहुत सारी चीजें कम हो रही हैं, शूट्स कम हो रहे हैं, नई
Right.
चीजें कम हो रही हैं, and things were going monotonous. So I started feeling anxiety, and I was like, why am I not happy about things which I'm doing? And
Right.
recently in last 10-15 days I realized, oh acha, I'm not concentrating on something which I can do. So then again this lockdown is about to, like, it started, so I was like, before this will happen, I'll start doing something new, I'll start learning podcasting, I'll start playing music, I'll start learning music
Right.
creation and stuff.
Right.
So it's like, I'm just a curious kind where I
Yes.
don't know, I'll be able to do the same thing in next 2 years or maybe in 1 year also.
So, guys, this is the major takeaway. Always stay fucking curious. Never let your
Yeah,
curiosity
100%.
die. That is your seed of growth. That is your main vital of growth. That is the main secret essence of your growth. हमेशा ना इतने कीड़ा रहना चाहिए curiosity का.
And that's the basic, like, that's the most basic feeling of humans, man. Like, that's the most basic like, बच्चे अपन से ज्यादा क्यूरियस क्यों हैं यार? क्यों वो सब चीजें तोड़ के देखते हैं कि क्या है अंदर?
True,
क्योंकि
true, true.
हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में हमें बताया जाता है कि सवाल मत करो, वही देखो जो है, वही करो जो बोला गया है. हम
Right,
क्यूरियस
right,
से अनक्यूरियस हो जाते हैं यार after a point of time.
Okay, great.
That's
So,
so sad.
do you have any
Yeah.
advice for Gen Z or youth?
Yeah. So I have my own brother. He's around 18 years old now.
Okay.
And he's so different from me, in the sense of content consumption, understanding of education system,
Okay.
understanding of the opportunity they have now, which is more than just a degree, which is more than just
Yes.
books, like books in the sense NCRT books or normal boards exams or IITs and stuff like that. I'm so happy to see that this change is happening and they're living with the change. We are the one who actually saw just the schools and now online and stuff. That transition happened with millennials.
Right.
But they got, like, they got brought up and they born with those things. And I just want one thing is obviously to be curious. Does not give a damn about marks and stuff, but be sincere about what you are doing and what is giving you that kick to. So this one logic I'll just give you. Whatever you're doing in your life, जैसे आज अगर कुछ कर रहे हो, if you can stop your pee just to finish that particular thing,
किक मिलना चाहिए, किक होना चाहिए,
किक मिलना चाहिए. अगर मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है, अगर मुझे टॉयलेट जाना है एंड मैं
पहले
15
complete
मिनट
कर.
रोक सकता हूँ बिकॉज मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ पहले खत्म,
True that.
तो वो चीज करो. एंड देखो, मतलब पैटर्न है ये. भूख लग रही है, 15 मिनट रुक जाता हूँ, ये निपटा लेता हूँ, राइट?
अगर
सिंपल सिग्नल्स हैं यार.
rather than taking a sutta break or a chai break and getting rid of the work, getting rid from the work, and like, अरे यार बोर हो गया, मैं जल्दी यार घर जाऊंगा, हाफ डे लेके आया, और कुछ भी XYZ रीजन दे रहे, एक्सक्यूज दे रहे हो आप काम से हटने के लिए, बजाय कि तू साला 3 की जगह 1 सुट्टा ब्रेक लूंगा लेकिन ये काम आज कंप्लीट करूंगा.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई काम में तुम्हारा मन नहीं लग रहा हो और तुम फिर भी बैठे हो कि अरे रुक जा, मैं वॉशरूम नहीं जाऊंगा. Impossible है ना? Nature's call है. But if you're behaving above nature's call and saying, no, I don't, no, I'm into the zone, I just want to finish this. So this is, so how to find passion, this is one of the reasons. And then second, watch. So क्या होता है, like in short, there are so many movies or shows you watch, but there are a couple of movies or shows which you watch and which sticks with you. And you think, oh, I love that character, but you don't know what to do with it. Like, you just love that character. Maybe that is what you want to do. Maybe something related to that field you want to do. You never know. So I watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani in 2000, maybe 12 or 11 or 13, whenever it got released. It got stuck with me, that Kabir character, the filmmaker. And obviously that's a very cliche favorite character of a lot of youth. But now imagine I'm into video creation, and uh, he was my favorite character till the time I was placed in Infosys and not aware of the fact that I want to be a creator. So it
Nice.
was back here. I was aware of the fact, my body and my mind was aware of the fact that this is what I love, but
Mm.
I was not exploring it
Not
because I was
exploring
not
it.
talking to myself.
So there comes my next question, Ayush. Suggest us some good reads and good web series that can actually help somebody level up in their lives.
Okay, so I've not read a lot of books, but two books you should 100% anybody should read is first is Sapiens. There's no doubt that you can't read that book because in short, it'll tell you everything about what you are today and
Okay.
what you can be in future. Everything as a human, as a individual, as a
Mhm.
community, and as as universe, like
Nice.
everything.
Nice.
It's something which gave me a great perspective to be alive. And second, there are a couple of books, but I guess uh, so I loved reading this um, Jay Shetty book, which is
Mhm.
a bit uh, मतलब अगर if you guys want to be in
Which one? The latest one?
um, yeah, the latest one,
Okay.
this one na, Think Like a Monk. I have
Okay. Yeah.
this. Oh shit,
आराम
yeah.
से. Hard
Think
work
Like
का
a Monk.
talent गिर जाएगा.
Hard work का भी talent गिर जाएगा.
Okay.
So yeah, Think Like a Monk is a very good and so there are so many platforms on YouTube where there's a whole book narration on their in their
Yes.
own
Yes.
voice,
Yes.
and
Yes.
I was like, oh, this is so helpful. But
Ah.
yeah, so these
Yeah.
couple of books, but Sapiens, no doubt, Sapiens you should read. And
Okay.
then there's this book of BJ Fogg, sorry,
Hmm.
of Tiny Habits. This Tiny Habits, where they, if you are into digital and stuff, if you are
Mhm.
into
Mhm.
internet, you
Mhm.
should 100% read, because this guy actually invented the
Okay.
concept of uh, making apps addictive.
So what web series you would
Persuasion
recommend?
technology. This
Ha, ha,
is
ha, ha, ha.
persuasion technology.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
because that is
So
being
BJ Fogg is, yeah,
yeah, this is being
yeah.
exposed in the documentary on Netflix named The Social Dilemma.
Social dilemma.
मेरी
Yeah.
इतनी फट गई ना, मैं आधी से ज्यादा नहीं देख पाया हूँ अभी तक. आधी देख के मैं
Nine,
रूम
nine,
से
nine.
बाहर आ गया और
So,
मैंने
so by the way, I was about to
हाँ.
recommend Social Dilemma.
Recommend some
I
more.
thought of it.
Recommend some more. It's okay.
So,
Good web series that can
couple
help
of
somebody become a good human being, a good entrepreneur, a good video guy, a good level up person, that can help them level up anything. Any web series that helped you in your journey?
I don't know if that will make sense or not, but
It's
House
all
of
right.
Cards,
Of
because
course, of course.
I obviously it's dark, but I came to know how to be a professional. Like,
No.
maybe use goods and bads of it, but how to be
Hmm.
sorted in your work
Ah,
life, because that
true
is
that.
one of the things.
I watched some
And that
episodes. Yeah.
yeah. And then you should 100% watch Founder movie, which is on
Yes.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Yes.
Yeah, that is something really nice. Social Dilemma is 100%. Great
Yes.
Hack is another movie,
Okay.
which is it's a documentary.
Okay.
And I've watched Wild Wild Countries also. So Wild Wild Countries, why? Osho's, it's based on Osho's.
Okay.
So why I'm recommending it, because see, a lot of, see, I'll tell you, so थोड़ा सा philosophy दे देता हूँ अभी
हाँ हाँ
खत्म
हाँ,
करने के
बिल्कुल
पहले.
बिल्कुल shoot.
So because I'm into थोड़ा बहुत spirituality, I just follow it and stuff like that.
Okay.
So imagine, because of this enlightenment of and broadening of learning from internet, a lot of people are there to
Yes.
say that I don't want to follow religion, right? Like, मेरे को नहीं जमता है तो मैं नहीं करना चाहता. I respect everyone else, but I don't want to do it, for example. And there are so many people like that, ठीक है? And they want to be free. They don't want to have any rituals and stuff like that. They want to be free. But so I was reading Sapiens, and I came to know that even if you don't want to follow a religion,
Okay.
you have to create one.
Oh. So not following a religion is also a religion sort of thing?
You have to you
Okay.
have to create a storytelling na. Okay, I am the guy, you join me, I don't follow anything. That this is what I do. I do this, do this,
Ah,
do this, do this. You guys can also do this, do.
to
It's a religion in
religion
itself.
only.
There
Yeah.
is a no escape from
Norms.
a
Yeah.
religious.
True,
It's a
true.
modern religion. That's why there पहले बुद्धिज्म से लेकर फिर कितना कुछ नया 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 Sikhs and stuff. So religions can keep on coming, and in future also will come. So Osho was also trying to do the same thing. Like he was creating his own community, which have different set of rules.
Hmm.
So I'm not saying you follow that or stuff, but at least see how human works. Like that
Ah,
is how. If आज नहीं तो कल कोई और आएगा. They will
powerful.
create their own community, and that is how you gain the so in short, storytelling in general is the only thing humans can do other than animals.
Right.
Like apart from what animals can do, like they can eat, they can run, they can sleep. What we can do is just create things, stories, and
Hmm.
talk about it.
Yeah.
And
Gossip.
agar
So
right, gossip
gossip is
and
something
like,
that we animals can't do and we can do. And that
yeah,
actually
that's the
changed
only
the
difference. That's the only
yeah
difference.
that
Yeah.
that actually changed the way of living of humans. So my just last two questions, Ayush, that are the major value bombs. I expect some value bomb answer from you. Where do you so this is the recruit question जो हर company में पूछते हैं. Where do you see yourself in next 3 to 5? मेरा almost कम हो गया है. Where do you see yourself in next 3 to 5 to 10 years?
Okay, so if it's a very cliche question, I'll answer in a very cliche way. I want to be financially independent,
Okay.
where I don't always have to work when I'm up and worry about when I'm sleeping.
Okay.
So first is that. Second, I want to uh, do something which I can do remotely, like from any part of the world.
Nice.
And I need that freedom in next 5 years. There is no other choice. I don't care about anything, any shit, any company. I'll be there in 5 years.
I'm already
So
doing
that
that,
is
by
something
the
I want
way.
to do. Yeah. So yeah.
Hands
So
down.
why
Good.
don't you come to Mumbai and then we'll
Arey,
chill?
why
So
not?
because you can work from here only.
I
So,
don't want to come to Mumbai. I can work from here. Okay.
so
So my
yeah,
kid,
that is
wife
something
and
which,
so yeah.
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just saying 2 दिन के लिए आ जाओ, यहीं से काम
अरे
कर
10
लेना.
दिन आ जाऊंगा यार इसमें क्या है ठीक है
चलो.
और
So this is something. And obviously I want to create my own company. So these are
okay
the three things. But that company should obviously utilize the possibility of working remotely
okay
for everyone.
nice that's great. So my last question, Ayush, I hope another value bombs comes out of it, another value bomb comes out of it. Where do you think the brands and the content are heading in the next 3 to 4 years approx, because it's moving pretty fast and everybody is
Yeah.
like now trend के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, प्लेटफॉर्म बेस्ड भाग रहे हैं कि मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे वायरल होना है, फेमस होना है या ट्रेंड पकड़ना है या यूट्यूब पे मुझे बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा वैकेंट जाना है. पीपल आर नॉट हैव स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग लेस ऑन वेबसाइट्स एंड स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग मोर ऑन video platforms like Instagram and YouTube. What is your take on content and brands, especially? Where do you think, being in, dealing with brand, big,
See, there's
yeah.
yeah, sorry, yeah.
So dealing with a big whale brand like Amazon Prime Video, what is your take on
So there are so many questions in this one
it?
question. So first is where content is going. Second is brands, where brands are going. So I'll tell you.
Hmm.
So in content, what is happening is obviously we are going towards OTT platforms, and all the filmmakers are
Yes.
coming into creating shows and creating films which is released online. And obviously, I'm not saying big screen will go,
Okay.
but I'm saying small screen will grow.
Grow.
So
Okay.
that is there. And apart from that, there will be some platform, maybe Jio or something, where there will be one subscription to all the platforms. You can just buy one subscription and you can watch
आ
any
गया है
platform.
ऑलरेडी
Like,
एक थर्ड पार्टी प्लेटफॉर्म ने
yeah,
किया
yeah,
है
but
हाँ.
yeah, but I'm saying like in a larger scale, like in like throughout the uh, platforms.
हाँ
आ
हाँ.
गया है. Jio,
So
I guess Jio will only come up with this.
नहीं, another brand has come, but if you buy a Geo fiber, it will give you 4 to 5 OTT access for free.
Yeah. So it's leading there.
Not Geo
And
fiber,
obviously a
Geo
lot
TV,
of,
Geo TV set-top box.
yeah. So it's leading there. And then apart
Good.
from that, see, India mein, there's nothing called great science fiction show.
Okay. Science fiction.
So there's no super man in India apart from Shaktiman and Krish,
Okay.
right?
वो भी तो
So
है अपने
अभी
टाइगर श्रॉफ.
नहीं देखा ना, कौन देखता है एंड
ठीक
कौन
है.
उसको रिस्पेक्ट, डू यू रिस्पेक्ट हिम लाइक
नहीं
आयरन
नहीं, आई
मैन?
डोंट
नो.
रिमेम्बर द नेम. ठीक है.
Yeah, so that will come. India will Indian content, these biggies will get into a lot of these kind of shows, which is like Avengers and stuff. And they are planning to, they are trying to, but you need a specific set of people and that
Because
talent
benchmark
in
has
India,
already
which is,
been set by Marvel, so tough रहेगा Indian.
yeah, and
हाँ.
India को करना जरूरी है because now all the platforms are investing in India. So obviously they want to create something out of it, which is a universe within itself.
Right. True.
Like Avengers is a universe, DC is a universe. Where's the universe in India? There's no universe in
No
India.
universe. No
Ab-
universe.
but there is an audience, which was Amar Katha, जो comics आते थे. चाचा चौधरी was a
Chacha Chaudhary.
universe, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया
I've
में
read it.
यूनिवर्स नहीं बन सकता. इंडिया में यूनिवर्स बन सकता है. There are
Cartoon
people to
Network
watch that
universe है.
universe.
But that's
Noddy
like
was a universe. Everything
uh-huh.
was a universe. But अभी नहीं है, अभी कंटेंट में नहीं है, तो वो वहां पे हम जंप करेंगे नेक्स्ट के 5 years में.
See, मेरे
And
लिए तो बहुत टाइम तक डेक्स्टर ही हीरो था. SWAT Cats, Flintstones, Jetsons, Popeye the Sailor Man. So Cartoon Network, yes.
So yeah,
I think
this
yes,
is
good approach.
this is about the content. Then talking about brands, so brands are now being aware of the fact that how these small integrations are working, and like here and there they're trying to sell their content in different platforms and stuff, but it is not gonna work because it's very expensive. So now this layer of unorganized influencer marketing and an unorganized audience interaction is gonna get organized in next
Organized.
5 years.
Good.
And as I said in last some previous question, that there will be something which will come, something really big, where imagine an influencer is getting up at 10 o'clock in the morning, going on that app, booking taking 3 tasks, putting these 3 swipe ups, and then free for the whole day and get 2,000 rupees in a month. Sorry,
Wow.
in that day.
In that day.
सुबह उठा, आदत हो गई है. कितने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होंगे अगर मैं अराउंड 1200 मिलियन यूजर्स आ जाएंगे, 10 से 5 मिलियन इन्फ्लुएंसर छोटे से बड़े लेवल के हो जाएंगे. उन लोगों को सुबह मैंने उठा, उन लोगों ने ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे गए, चेक किया, ब्रांड्स ने पोस्ट किया कि हमें ये प्रमोट करना है. They'll just select आज के दिन में मुझे क्या डालना, नहीं करना नहीं करेंगे. It's remote, it's accessible, no commission in between, less amount, and brands can choose as many as influencers as possible, and they can put, so every influencer will have their own pricing,
Right.
every influencer will have their own reach, and every link can be tracked to the swipe up. So
So it's not
brands
organized
को
right now, but
return-
it's happening. But it's not organized. एक
it
app
is,
नहीं है.
it will be organized. It's
Yes,
exactly
it
like
has to
how
be.
Facebook में
Yes.
people figured out, like, for example, Viral Line and Witty Feed and BuzzFeed and Diply and stuff like that. They have realized that how they can utilize pages to monetize. Pages की जगह replace them with influencers, brands put them in influencer and just
Agreed.
monetize their
Content is always there. Great. And where do you see the future of content?
It's gonna be better. The content which our new generation will watch will be much more educated. Not talking about educational content,
On
but
point.
in terms of in like exactly like how we see Western content now, how we see what's happening in US or UK or Europe. They talk about science, they talk about a lot of other stuff, they talk about inventions, they talk about space, they talk about also at the same time music videos and artists and pop and
Travel
rap
videos
and
and
hip hop and EDM and stuff like that. So many things are happening which India is still behind. We just consider Bollywood as our benchmark, but it's gonna change very soon, and then we are going to create in digital. There will be value additional content. People want to learn a lot of stuff. New Gen Z want to learn a lot of stuff very quickly, and that is gonna be there. At the same time, they want to follow certain people who gives value to them on a day-to-day basis.
Okay.
Like,
Great.
and it's like they know ये हम लोग अभी उतने समझदार हो गए हैं वो कि इन्हें पता है कौन उन्हें बकवास दे रहा है and कौन उन्हें actually life में आगे बढ़ने के लिए चीजें दे. So they are way smarter than what we think about them.
Great. So that was wonderful value bomb, and rather I should say amazing value bombs from you on spirituality, on maintaining hygiene, about YouTube, knowing you, about the future of the content. And I think, Ayush, I would rest all my questions here. It was great having you, buddy, and
Same here, man.
I
Same.
hope that you grow many folds and you get financially independent anytime soon. And I wish all the very best and all the success to you, buddy, because you have actually worked hard and you have seen a lot of good experiences around you, a lot of good people around you. So I would love to be in Mumbai anytime soon, and I would love to be there.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I still remember that last time when I was in Mumbai for a Google session, I stayed at your flat.
Yeah.
And trust me, not a lot of people do that, but I really appreciate your gesture at that point of time, and I still respect that. So thanks a lot, buddy. And if you guys have,
Thanks,
if you,
man.
if
It was fun. It was fun.
same
And
here,
I hope your water is finished like me.
same here.
Yeah, very nice.
So this is challenge that we have started. I hope in all our podcasts and podcasts we do that. 8 liter bottle we have to finish by the end of the
Yeah.
session. Otherwise, the questions are not going to stop. So I think it will help us stay more hydrated.
Yeah. It was so much fun, man. I
Yes,
really
man.
loved it.
Same here,
And
pleasure, man. Pleasure.
I मुझे नहीं पता कितना टाइम हो गया. I guess it's around 1 or 2 hours. I don't know.
Almost quarter to 2 hours. This we started at 8:30.
So
if I'm
there's
not
this
wrong.
saying. There's this saying, na, ki if you're so if you're enjoying something, you'll just quickly pass this time,
Yes,
and if you're not
yes.
enjoying 5 minutes, it's 2 hours.
Yes.
So it was like that. It just went.
It just
It
went.
was
So
so much
I'm
fun.
happy. I was expecting some 30-40 minutes, but I think we've got double-sized content, valuable content for the audience. And I hope that everybody enjoys it and this thoda zyada watch time rahe. Yeah, we listen time rahe.
Yeah, very important.
So guys, whoever is listening this, do follow the video guy on Instagram, Ayush Srivastav, the man itself, and do follow me on Instagram, Get Digital with Mayank, and all my
Mayank.
and all my podcast and YouTube channel. So thanks, Ayush, for being
Thank you
on
so
board.
much.
We are glad to have you. Thanks a lot. Signing off. Ciao.
Thank you. Bye.